Most people are using herbal tea completely wrong, and it's not their fault. Timing, dosage, and mixing the wrong herbs can reduce benefits or even cause discomfort. Today, I'll show you how to drink herbal tea safely to get the most out of chamomile, hibiscus, and turmeric. Chamomile is calming, but many people make mistakes when preparing it. One mistake is drinking right before bed. Your body needs time to process it. Another is making it too strong in the morning, which can leave you groggy. Overboiling delicate flowers causes them to lose potency if heated too long. The solution? Drink chamomile 1-2 hours before sleep for optimal relaxation. Use moderate strength and steep gently to preserve its delicate properties. Hibiscus tea is delicious, but watch out for common pitfalls. Drinking on an empty stomach can irritate sensitive stomachs. Drinking it every day isn't ideal. Your body needs variety. Moderation is key. Boiling twice means nutrients are mostly gone after the first brew. Tip: drink hibiscus after meals to aid digestion and avoid irritation. Rotate daily with other teas and always brew fresh for maximum benefits. Turmeric is powerful, but often misused in tea preparation. Drinking on an empty stomach can upset digestion for some individuals. Using too little turmeric means tiny pinches won't give benefits. Drinking at wrong times, like before intense activity, can cause discomfort. Solution: take turmeric tea with food to enhance absorption and comfort. Use consistent, proper amounts and adjust timing to your daily routine. Mixing too many herbs at once? This is a common mistake. Herbs interact, and your body may not absorb them properly. Keep combinations simple, 1 or 2 herbs at a time. Rotate daily to ensure your body benefits fully and safely. To recap, chamomile, 1-2 hours before sleep, moderate strength, gentle steeping. Hibiscus, after meals, fresh brew, and rotate daily. Turmeric, with food, proper amount, and correct timing. Mixing, 1-2 herbs maximum. And remember to rotate. Follow Rooted Healing TV for more safe herbal tips, and never use herbal tea wrong again.